Hello everybody, welcome to Learning Swahili from Scratch. If you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing because this is the best platform for you to learn Swahili because I will be doing it from scratch. If you have no experience learning Swahili anywhere, this is the best platform for you because I'm going to show you how to read Swahili, how to pronounce sounds from scratch, and kindly consider subscribing if you have not subscribed because I will be uploading new videos each and every day, and if you subscribed you will get notified once I upload my video. So today we start with learning about Swahili alphabets. So for alphabets we have both consonants and vowels. This is what makes our sounds in Swahili. We have 24 Swahili alphabets. Normally in English we have 26 alphabets, but for Swahili we are going to exclude letter X and Q. They are not there in our Swahili alphabets. I am going to take you through how we pronounce these alphabets one by one. So follow along so that because this is what we're going to be writing, this is what we're going to be reading in Swahili. If you don't know how to pronounce these alphabets, well, it is going to be hard for you to even pronounce the words themselves in Swahili. So we start with our first letter, which is A. This is capital A and this is small a. So we have A. A. Our second letter we have Ba. 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 The third letters we have, it is made up of two letters so that the pronunciation can sound good. We have Cha. Cha. We have CH and CH. Cha. Cha. Our fourth letters we have Da. 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 This is capital Da and this is small da. The third one we have E. 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 The fifth one is Fa. 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 Next we have Ga. 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 Ha. 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 E. 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 Ja. 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 Ka. 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 La. 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 Ma. 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 Na. 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 O. 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 Pa. 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 Ra. 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 Sa. 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 Ta. 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 U. 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 Va. 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 Wa. 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 Ya. 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 Za. 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 So those are our 24 alphabets that make up the Swahili alphabets. Those are the Swahili alphabets that are going to help us to make words from them. So all the words that are in Swahili are made up from these alphabets. So in these alphabets, we have both the vowels and the consonants. The vowels are a, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. And then the rest of the alphabets are the consonants. That is all about the Swahili alphabets. And in our next video, we are going to make the sounds that are made up from the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. So we're going to come up with the Swahili sounds, which will be a combination of both the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. So kindly consider subscribing so that once I upload my next video, you will get notified and follow along as we learn Swahili together.